Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a question from the topic complex number. The question is, let a z1, b z2 and c z1 plus z2 minus z1 whole divided by 1 minus I are vertices of a triangle if modulus of z2 plus I z1 is equal to modulus of z1 plus z2 and modulus of z1 is equal to root 7 and modulus of z2 is equal to 3. What we need to find? We need to find the area of triangle ABC. This question is very important for IIT main and advanced point of view. Now, I am going to give solution of this problem. Now, what are given? It is given that A is represented by Z1, B represented by Z2 and C represented by Z1 plus Z2 minus Z1 whole upon 1 minus I. And modulus of Z1 is equal to root 7, modulus of Z2 is equal to 3. Also given Z2 plus I times Z1 is whole mod is equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Taking I common here, what you find? It is Z2 whole divided by I plus Z1 whole mod is equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. So what I did in this step, simply I have taken this I as common, and you can also write this as mod I into Z2 by I into Z2 by I mod I into modulus of Z2 whole divided by I plus Z1, and this is modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Now what is Z2 by I? This mod I is equal to 1, modulus of I is equal to 1, and Z2 by I is nothing but minus I times Z2, simply multiplying and dividing by I here. What you find, this is I and this is I, multiply I square is minus 1 and this is modulus of Z1, sorry this is Z1 whole mod and this is Z1 plus modulus of Z2 can also be represented at I into Z2. Modulus of I Z2 is same as modulus of Z2. Why they are equal? Because modulus of I Z2 is nothing but modulus of I into modulus of Z2 and modulus of I is equal to 1. So this is equal to modulus of Z2 only. So if we calculate this further, what we find? We find this as modulus of Z1 minus modulus I Z2 whole mod is equal to modulus of Z1 plus I Z2 whole mod. Now I am representing this in organ plane. What I find? Now what we find? We find this from this equation. What we find? Let us suppose this is equation 1. We find Z1 minus I Z2 whole mod is equal to modulus of Z1 plus I Z2. Now I am representing this equation in organ plane. Let O is the origin. So what is OA here? OA is modulus of Z1, and what about OB dash? It is modulus of I Z2, and AB dash is how much? This is Z1 minus I Z2. Now AB dash is equal to this is only possible when AB dash is equal to OA plus OB dash. So what does it mean? They are in same line. They are collinear. OA and B are collinear. They are part of line segment. Now B dash is I Z2. Now I am plotting B Z2. What is B? B Z2, and point B is represented by Z2 and B dash is I Z2. What does it mean? This means angle between B and B dash is 90 degree. Angle between B and, because this multiply this B Z2 by I times, so angle between B and B dash is 90 degree. Now I am plotting B. Now B is, this is Z2 and this angle is how much? This is 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree. And this angle is how much? 90 degree. Why this is 90 degree? Because B dash is I Z2 and B is Z2. Here B is Z2. So If you multiply this by this b by I, Z2 by I, this will move, rotate an angle 90 degree anti-clockwise direction. So what is angle between A and B? What is angle between A and B? What we find? OA, angle between O and OAB, angle between OA and OB is 90 degree here. Now what is C? C, this is given as C. Now let point C be represented by Z3. Now what is Z3? From here, C Z1 plus Z2 minus Z1 whole divided by 1 minus I. So what can be said? Z3 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 minus Z1 whole upon 1 minus I. Simplifying this, what we find? We find Z3 minus Z1 into 1 minus I is equal to Z2 minus Z1. If we calculate this further, what we find? We find Z3 minus Z1 minus I times Z3, Z3 minus Z1 minus I times Z3 plus I times Z1 is equal to Z2 minus Z1. So this Z1 will get cancelled out. So what we find finally Z3 minus Z2 whole divided by Z3 minus Z2 whole divided by Z3 minus Z1 is equal to I. So what can we say? We can also say that this I is equal to Z2 minus Z3 upon Z1 minus Z3. Now what is modulus of I? Modulus of I is equal to 1. So what can we say? This argument Z2 minus Z3 upon Z1 minus Z3 is how much? This is pi by 2, and modulus of Z2 minus Z3 upon modulus of Z1 minus Z3, this is equal to 1. So what can we conclude? We can also conclude modulus of Z1 minus Z3 is equal to modulus of Z2 minus Z3. From here, modulus of Z2 minus Z3 is equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z3, and argument of Z2 minus Z3 upon Z1 minus Z3 is pi by 2. Now I am plotting the point C on this organ plane. So this is point C, and this angle is how much? This angle is 90 degree also. Also, this length is same as this length. AC is equal to BC. From this we find AC is equal to BC. Now what is given in the question? It is given that OA, this length OA is equal to modulus of Z1. This is how much? Under root of 7. And what about OB is equal to modulus of Z2? This is how much? This is equal to 3. This here length, this length is 3. Since triangle AOB is right angle triangle, now what is length of AB? By using Pythagoras theorem, it is under root 7 square 7 plus 3 square 9. So this is how much? 4. So AB length is 4. Now in triangle, this in triangle AOB. Triangle AOB is 90 degrees. So by using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle AOB, OA is root 7, OB is 3, AB is equal to OA square plus AB square. Now AB is 4. Now in triangle ACB, what about this angle? Angle ACB is 90 degree. It is given, and AC is equal to BC, also given. AC is equal to BC from here. AC is equal to BC. Now what can we say? AB is equal to 4. AB is equal to 4. So what can we say? AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. This is 4 square. But AC is equal to BC. So what can we find? From here, AC is equal to BC, and say this is X. So 2x square is equal to 16. So x square is equal to how much? 8. Now what is area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is half base into height, half BC into AC. But BC is equal to AC is equal to x. So this is x square whole divided by 2. Now putting the value of x square, what we find? X square is 8, 8 by 2. This is equal to 4. So this is the solution. So hope you understand the solution of this question and enjoy the solution. Thank you and see you in next video.